Hi everyone, I put the baby chicks in a basket for today so we can get a better look at them. They're getting so big. They got their feathers in. I have 3 of them there. These 3 right here that are 2 weeks old, and the other 2 little ones over here. They will be 2 weeks old in a couple days. And their eyes are fully opened. They started opening up their eyes at about 10 days old. They're walking around. Look at that one walking around. Getting so big. Mo and Emma are taking very good care of these little guys, keeping them fed. So cute. Hey, little guy. And it looks like, by the way their feathers are coming in, I'm going to have 3 gray, which they will not have the orange spots on their cheeks because they are white face. And these 2 little guys over here are going to be white, which the proper term for them would be white face Lutino. He's just sitting there and just pet them. What do you think? They're cute?
Yeah.
They're cute.
Did you get out all of them?
Yep, there's all of them.
Come here. Someone's little.
Mm-hmm.
Standing up. Hey, don't bite.
That one's little, and the one right in front of it's little too. I like that one.
This one's trying to sleep, I think.
I think that one's going to have some pretty colors.
Yeah. Yeah, we think you're going to look pretty. Yeah. Yeah. What do you want? You want some dove? Yeah. I sure baby take that one some dove.
That was so adorable. We will keep you updated in about a week. And we want to thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that Liberty Bell so you can receive more notifications from us. And give us a thumbs up. And as always, here at Brownie's Birdhouse, we strive to help all bird families stay safe, happy, and healthy. See you later.